Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to lock album in Facebook. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Facebook doesn't provide a native feature to directly lock individual photo albums with a password. However, you can't control the audience for your albums by adjusting privacy settings. And here's how you can adjust the privacy settings for a Facebook photo album on your device. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your device. Step 2. On your profile picture or your name to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Tap on the Photos tab to then go to the Album section to view your photo albums. Choose the album you want to adjust the privacy settings for. Step 5. Look for the 3 dots, the More Options, at the top right corner of the album. So go ahead and tap on it. Step 6. Select Edit from the menu. Step 7. Under Privacy, you'll see different audience options such as Public, Friends, Only Me, or Custom. Choose the appropriate option based on your preference, like choosing the Only Me since it's the nearest way to this guide, or choosing the Friends Except. This way, if you tap on the minus button, this person will not have access specifically to your album. Now we have to go back. Step 8. Finally, once you've selected the desired privacy setting, tap on Done to apply the changes. By adjusting the privacy settings for an album, you can't control who can view it on Facebook. However, take note that this doesn't involve a password lock. Instead, it determines the visibility of the album based on your chosen audience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.